Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic LT 900. This bike has got just a little over 11,000 miles on it and is in excellent condition. Doesn't show any signs that it's ever been tipped over or laid down. It's got a few scuffs on it here and there from actually being ridden. So we'll take a walk around it, look at the gear, and then we'll fire it up. This bike comes with a clear, tall, wide windscreen. It looks like it had tires put on it right before it arrived, so the tires look brand new on it. It's got highway bars with highway pegs, footboards for the driver, matching seat, saddlebags, and passenger backrests, all part of the LT package. Like I said, you can see it looks like it's a new back tire as well. I mean, if they've got any miles on them, it's very few. And again, footboards for the driver with a heel-toe shifter combo. Highway bars with highway pegs. A really clean, good-looking, middle-sized cruiser. $11,384 is what's on it. They look like OEM pipes, but I don't think they are. I think they're aftermarket. If nothing else, they've had the baffles removed out of them because that's got a lot lower growl than I would think it normally would have. But this Vulcan 900 Classic will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.